Ready.
All rise. Third Circuit Court for the County of Wayne is now in session. Honorable Judge Bunker R. Evans presiding. Please be seated before the fire.
Ready. Hey. She's coming on. Right? Can you all hear this? Very good. Madam, we need to give Mr. Melendez an opportunity. What'd you say? What'd you need, Mr. Thomas? Good morning. Yeah, I got it. You better have somebody up in here. Oh, my special pens on this. Both of them, they mess. What do I do? I have a regular one. But it's not my special one. Bootleg. Madam, you ready?
This is case number 154615, the People versus William Melendez. Today is the day for sentencing.
Appearance for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Robert Donaldson, appearing on behalf of the People.
All right, James Thomas on behalf of William Melendez, who's here with me on that right.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alex Burns and Mr. Melendez.
Oh, I forgot. All right, you can be seated. Obviously, today is a date and time here for sentencing, and what the court wants to do, something a little unusual. I want to call the probation agent as a witness for the court, Miss Murray. Is she available? Miss Murray. Good morning. Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give in this man is the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth self you got? Please be seated. After the court conducts its questioning, I'll open it up to the respective parties. State your name for the record. Oh, just sit back. Okay, and then pull a microphone close to you. I'm sorry. State your name for the record.
My name is Ilea Murray.
And can you spell your first and last name?
My first name is spelled E-I-L-E-A. My last name is spelled M-U-R-R-A-Y.
Okay, very good. There are some things that the court wants to ask you about. First of all, how are you employed, madam?
I am employed with the Michigan Department of Corrections as a probation officer.
And how long have you been so employed?
I've been employed as a probation officer for 21 years with the state of Michigan for 25 years.
and 21 years as a probation agent. Is that correct?
That is correct.
How many pre-sentence reports would you say that you prepared of roughly?
Oh my God, hundreds.
Hundreds.
Because I am in the court services union, and primarily that is what we do, all in custody pre-sentence investigation reports.
All right, well, tell us about that unit.
The unit is designed to complete all pre-sentence investigation reports on individuals who are in custody, be it they're remanded or they cannot post bond.
Okay. And you were selected to conduct or prepare this pre-sentence report for Mr. Melendez. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay, very good. Now, the court had, Mr. Thomas gave the court a lot to read. He deliberately tried to interfere with my break, but you did. So let's talk a little bit about the purpose of a pre-sentence report. Are you familiar with the Department of Corrections operating procedure, pre-sentence investigation, and report preparation?
I am.
Okay, very good. And what I'm going to briefly do is just to refer to it. Specifically, on page 2 of 12, the defendant interview. The purpose of the defendant interview is to obtain information relating to the defendant and the offense for use in preparing the PSI report. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay, very good. So they really are separate in that, one, we want to know everything it is to know about the defendant, and we want to know about the offense also. Would that be fair to say?
That would be fair to say.
Also on page 3 of 12, it does indicate that in order post-interview investigative context, in order to confirm or dispute information provided by the defendant during the interview and to obtain additional data about the defendant, collateral contacts shall be made as part of the pre-sentence investigation process. Efforts to make the following contacts are required, and then it talks about residential verification and family contacts. Is that fair to say?
That is correct.
Okay, very good. Now, I had an opportunity to see the report that you authored that was very, very thorough, and I'd like to go through it. First of all, you indicate, and we talked about, you know, the purpose of what the report is for. I'm going to come back to the evaluation and plan ultimately. But let's go to the agent's description of the offense. In your report, do you have your report, madam?
Your Honor, to be quite honest, I don't have the finished report, the completed report that was submitted to the court.
Okay, very good. This is what we're going to do. I'm going to take a quick recess and we're going to get you a copy. She has to have that. I'm going to have my law clerk must come out and copy that, because I need her to have a copy. So let's just take a 5-minute recess so that you can get it, okay? And you have reviewed it?
Yes.
Okay, very good. When's the last time you reviewed it?
I was reading my notes back there in the office.
Okay, let's just say this. Let's just come back at 11:15 because I want to go over that report very thoroughly.
Okay.
Very good. Thank you. We'll come back at 11:15. I'm sorry, I didn't know you didn't have it. Kelly, where is that? Where is it? Madam, Miss Weaver. Miss Weaver.
Even better. Good friend? Brian Packer.
Step down, madam. And as soon as the court aide, I'm sorry, my assistant secretary,
I mean, he's here, but he's not. Yeah, the new one is Okay. No, because it wouldn't be in that file, because you're not, you know, that's separate. Yeah. Okay. Okay.